Launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Create a new blank presentation.
Insert a background pattern. Go to the Insert tab select Picture or Pattern Fill Background. Adjust the height and width by dragging the image corners to fit the slide. Duplicate the slide. Right-click on the thumbnail in the left pane, and select Duplicate Slide to make a copy. Add a triangle shape. Go to Insert Shapes choose Triangle. Drag and place the triangle onto the slide, positioning it over the background image. Remove outlines. Select both the triangle and background. Under Shape Format, click No Outline. Intersect the triangle with the background. Go to Shape Format Merge Shapes select Intersect. Now you have a triangle shape cut out of your background image. Adjust size and position. Resize and reposition the triangle cutout as needed. Insert a decorative element. Go to Insert choose Picture, or Decorative PNG image, e.g., flowers or greeting card. Position the image within or around the triangle shape. Apply shadow effect, optional. Right-click the triangle, or decorative image Format Picture shadow. Under Presets, choose Offset to give depth. Go to the Animation tab select the triangle shape. Apply an exit effect like collapse. Click OK. To apply the animation, create additional triangles. Go to Insert Shapes add more triangles. And position them across the slide. Remove the outline and set fill color. For each shape, add entrance animations. Select the triangle go to Animation tab more entrance effects. Choose Stretch click OK. Under Effect Options, select from bottom. Set Start to After Previous and adjust the duration as needed. Manage element visibility. Go to the Home tab greater than Selection pane. Unhide elements by clicking the eye icon. Apply motion path animation. Go to the Animation tab greater than Motion Paths greater than Select line. Adjust the direction and effect options. Right-click the triangle greater than Send to Back. Organize grouped elements. Use the Selection pane to hide, unhide elements. In the Animation pane, set animations to start after previous. Add final decorative elements, insert flowers, ribbons, or logos as desired. Apply shadow effects if needed. Right-click the element greater than Format Picture greater than Shadow greater than Choose Offset. Adjust the video resolution and timings. Export your presentation as a video. Go to the File menu greater than Export greater than Create a Video, then save the file. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more content.